Need to update your Walmart Seller Center email? Here's a breakdown in today's video. So we've actually have the guide from Walmart right here, and then it's telling you exactly what to do to access your profile and update everything. And we can go through those steps, but unfortunately it's saying you can't change your profile's email address, but you can change the password. So Walmart's saying that you can't even change your email, right? But we're going to try ourselves really quick. So what you're going to do is you're actually going to log into your Walmart seller account. You're going to go to the top right corner, and there's a little cog icon. You're going to click on this little cog icon. Then you're going to go to your main profile. That's where it opens up. And then there's going to be your email address right here and your name. And if you click edit, you'll see it doesn't let you optimize or change your email address. But I do have a loophole, right? Before I go over the loophole, what it says in the guide is it says, how do I change my email address? So what you're going to have to do is contact seller support. If you want to use a different email, contact seller support for assistance in creating a new seller center profile. So you can contact seller support, explain the situation, why you want to. I would recommend to come up with a really good reason on why you want to get it changed. Like maybe you're going to lose access or something's wrong with your email. There's an error. None of your emails are coming through. Then you can escalate it and you could potentially get it changed, right? But there's an easier way, and that's why I'm showing you the loophole, which is to go into Walmart, go into your settings, scroll all the way down to user management. So people and permissions right here. And then what you can do is just add another admin user. So you can just add a second email that's a complete admin of the entire account, and then you're good to go. You can just log in as this new user, give them admin permissions, and you're pretty much set up like that. So that's my backup plan for you if you don't want to go through the process of contacting Walmart, changing your email address, when Walmart is going to give you a very hard time when specifically they say your email address serves as a unique ID and it can't be changed. So if you do want to change it, you're going to have to try extremely hard to get it changed or create a whole new seller center profile, which who knows what that means, but it might mean applying for a whole nother Walmart Seller Central account, which you don't want to do, but at least we do have a backup right here for you. And I'm just giving you the truth. I'm trying to be honest on what you can do here. But that's it for today's video. What other tips would you like to see for managing your Walmart Seller Center account? Drop them in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, like contacting Walmart every single day to get your email changed, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is where we'll fully manage your entire Walmart account. We'll make sure there's no errors. We'll call Walmart for you. We'll do all your customer service, advertising, listing quality score, pro seller badge, and much, much more to increase your sales. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every single day trying to increase your sales or manage your problems. We'll do it for you so you can start focusing on saving time, money, and increasing your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.